Ahead of the Edo governorship election wey go shele for September 21, 2024, Edo Governor Obaseki for the new festival hall for Government House Benin City don hold one meeting with leaders of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) from all wards across the state. Governor Obaseki contrary salute to the party leaders for their commitment and unity, say na the party unity ensured the success of the recent adult congress wey pick Asue as the party's gubernatorial candidate. Oga Governor chook mouth on Ighodalo's attributes and say im get confidence for im potential to do pass as im do if dem elect am. On top the September election wey don near, Oga Obaseki chook mouth on the party's preparation and say na PDP be the only formidable party for the state.
He's a person I have known for a very, very long time, over 4 decades. And I thank God Almighty that He has given us somebody who I am certain will do much better than I have done as a governor of Edo State. Because he has all the attributes. He has the integrity. He has the upbringing. One thing I never forget about him, when I called on him in 2008, when I decided to head the economic team of the administration before me, I asked him to join me in that team. And after our first meeting, some people were discussing how much they will be paid for serving on this team, the economic team. Dr. Asue said, we want to pay to serve. And you can see how he has displayed that when he was convinced that it was worth his while to come and lead the people of Edo State. I cannot recall how many Nigerians in my lifetime have made the kind of sacrifice he decided to make so that he can come and serve his people. And what we've done is to take it that the last campaign will take place on the 18th of September. And we will then walk back from the 18th to date. And that we will have to undertake local government campaigns, which will take us to the 18 local governments. So we backed off from the 18th of September. 18 stops will make it that we'll start our local government campaigns on about the 1st of September. Therefore, we felt that we should flag off those campaigns on the 29th of August, Thursday, 29th of August, and invite the whole national and state PDP structure to Edo State to come and help us flag our campaign. Between today and that date, we expect that the candidates will now tour all the wards, all the 192 wards in the state.
Make una not forget, say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know to take blame. From Government House Benin City, Ekata Ojisoli, TMC TV News.